everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly, or if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be just a little bit different. I'm going to do a cleaning video, but kind of do it vlog style. So my voiceovers will just kind of be like this. I just thought that would be a fun and maybe different way to do it. I don't really vlog. So I'm going to show you what our kitchen looks like. We rushed off to the park this morning because it's been so hot. I kind of just left everything. I haven't even made our bed yet. I'm going to show you the state of our house. So here is our kitchen right now, and I got up pretty early this morning. I usually get up around 5 to get a workout in, and after that it's kind of off to the races. So I get everyone's breakfast ready and taken care of, and then from there, like I said, we just went to the park. So here is the kitchen, and then I will show you the family room here. And I'll probably clean this up when my daughter is sleeping, just because she's going to be in and out of this area still. And then let's go upstairs. Okay, so upstairs, our room. Yeah, so I haven't made the bed or anything, and I definitely need to wipe in here, and just all this needs to be cleaned up. In our bathroom, so like I said, we just kind of rushed this morning just to get out of the house before it got too hot. So definitely need to pick this up. Okay, so I'm gonna start off in the kitchen first and then kind of move on from there.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down, climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But
I've been loving these for the high chair and just kind of where she eats in general. Let dry for a minute and then just continue on with, I have a bunch of dishes in here that I need to see if they're dry, and if they are, I'm gonna need to put them away.
We turn the page and make up. Our broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But
around noon, I stopped filming to charge my battery and also to eat lunch and let my daughter play a little bit longer. So it is now a little after 1 and she's napping. I'm going to finish up in the kitchen, and there's actually new messes. So if you guys can relate to this, then let me know in the comments, because it's like you clean and then there's new messes. So yeah, she got into the pantry and started putting like her little toys in my bins here, which is fine. It kept her busy while I was able to eat. I have the upstairs to do, but I wanted to kind of I had to change my shirt because Macaroni just decided to straighten my hair and kind of touch up my makeup. To finish this area and then go upstairs.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability.
So right now I'm still using the Caldrea Basil Blue Sage, and I'm just going to spray down the sink with this and then spray down the counters.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile. Little things I remember.
So I'm gonna add some orange essential oil just to make the sink smell a little bit better.
She was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever.
My dishwasher is not super full yet, so I'm just gonna wait until later on the day to run it and probably run it overnight.
Time, love changes every heart, and every heart can change.
So I have a little bit left of this daily granite, so I'm going to use the rest of this up and continue wiping down the counters.
My mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever.
I'm officially out of my granite cleaner, so I'm going to continue with this.
And everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change.
Wondering why this is here? It's because I'm not using any of my fancy equipment today. I'm just using my camera and then a little like a tripod type of thing, but it's very small, so I was using this to heighten the camera up a little bit, but I'm gonna put this back right now.
Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any
The counters are nice and shiny. I'm going to quickly wipe up the dishwasher because we got tons of little fingerprints, which are so cute, but I need to wipe those down. The oven has a little bit as well. And then also wipe the stove down a little bit. It's a little dirty. For my stainless steel, I've been using this Real Simple cleaner. And this works really well on all of our stainless steels. It kind of leaves a little bit of an oil residue to it, so just be careful because sometimes it'll get on the floor and it's super slippery, so make sure you wipe the floor too right away. A lot better, that's for sure. Now over here I'm just going to quickly use my Method Gloss and Surface Spray because it's not too bad. The stainless steel isn't super dirty. And while I'm here, I'm just going to clean the stove really quickly. I'm just going to use the Method degreaser just to wipe this down.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked.
Much better. I'm sure this will be dirty tonight, but that's okay. I'm just going to quickly wipe this down with the glass cleaner, and it's not too bad either. Okay, that is nice and clean. Okay, so I'm gonna see what I can get done in here, just putting some of the food away and kind of clearing this up so she can play better when she wakes up. So the living room is picked up very quickly. I'm just putting some toys away and cleaning up the couch a little bit. That way when she wakes up, she's usually in a better mood when she plays in a clean area. I don't know, it just looks much better. So that is all done. So I am going to quickly go upstairs and just clean that area. Gonna pick up some clothes and then quickly clean this bathroom. So our room is cleaned up. I'm not vacuuming right now or mopping in this video only because I'm going to do a video where that's all I do. So this is just a very real cleaning video, kind of just stuff that I like to do every day.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
Okay, so
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't get everything done, but that's okay. Sometimes I don't. That's just life, and then I move on and I clean that area the next day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely if you're new, hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell. That way you don't miss out when I upload, and it's totally free to subscribe. Have a great rest of your day. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.
I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.